How to earn passive income online. If you're looking for ways to earn passive income online, you should think about being an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a great way to establish an online business from home with almost no investment. A computer with internet connection is all you need to get started. Even though there are many benefits, you still need to consider whether you want to take the plunge into affiliate marketing. This is where you should seriously consider whether you want to work hard at, or be passive and let others work for you. Here are some of the pros and cons of being an affiliate marketer. 1. Low investment cost. In the beginning, the operating expenses of the affiliate business are almost non-existent. Comparing to other industries, you work online so that you can do it from your home well enough. And then you only have the basic electricity and ISP subscription costs to cover. 2. Secondary source of income. Starting up as an affiliate marketer doesn't require you to leave your current job. You can do it as a side project and see what you can squeeze out of it over the few. 3. The independence. As a freelancer, you don't need to follow any company regulations according to monthly or weekly reports or manage other people from a team that also can get problematic too. Handle at times. Here you don't have to worry about company relations because you and yourself who sets all the rules, decides about proper dress code, so that it can even be in your pajamas. And other small things and habits that otherwise might be distracting at a loud and crowded office. 4. Earn money while you sleep. The other strong pro feature of becoming an affiliate marketer is the general idea of getting a passive income. Yeah, that's right. This is a widely promoted motto by Neil Patel: make dollar while you Z. The opportunity to make a passive income means to earn money while you sleep. Wouldn't it be great to wake up in the morning, open your laptop and just discover additional revenue in your account? The fruits of your hard work. Cons. 1. You don't control affiliate marketing programs. Logically, you don't own affiliate marketing programs, so you just have to use existing ones. In this way, you are entirely dependent on your merchant's rules and respect their conditions. A program that may look appealing at times, later can become less and less competitive. But you won't be able to adjust the terms yourself. All you can do is to communicate the need for further adjustments regarding discounts on the given products, etc. And then wait for the merchant to implement changes. 2. No guarantee of revenue. Paper performance can be a tremendous opportunity as well as a significant risk. No one promises that working as an affiliate marketer will be easy and that you are going to earn the expected revenue right away. It's a challenge you have to face and put all your efforts into maximizing the opportunity. But all in all, it's difficult to predict how much money you will make on it in the end. 3. It's possible to hijack affiliate links. Although this doesn't come often, and the vast majority of affiliate marketers won't do it, there are cases of hijacking affiliate links so that the fraudster gets someone's commission. Then it's hardly possible to get it back, so you can just hope that such an affiliate scam won't target you. If you want to set up a successful affiliate marketing business, there are some work involved. Take the time to learn how to promote your site effectively. Choose a product you love. Entrepreneurs do not work for their peers. To be a success, you have to separate yourself from the herd. Choose a niche you want to work in and set up a website to promote it. Choose a product you want to promote and sell and set up a marketing campaign to capture your prospect's name and email address and build your list. Set your goals. How much money do you want to make per year? Work towards that goal every day. Set your goals to make sure you hit them. Find a product to promote. Go to clickbank.com to find a product to promote. Do a research. Gather information about the product you want to promote. Learn about the product in terms of what people are looking for and all the different ways to promote it. Promoting a product you are more passionate about is easier than promoting one for the sake of the earnings only. Determine your marketing campaign. Make sure you have set up your email campaign in such a way that the campaign is a success. Every campaign should begin with an email. Build your email list by offering a free newsletter. Promote the free newsletter offer through articles, social media platforms, and paid advertising. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.